What if I told you there's an AI tool giving new users up to 2000 credits to create stunning images, videos, and AI art in seconds? But here's the big question. What happens when those credits run out? Do you stop creating? Or is there another way to keep going? Stay with me because I'm testing everything inside OpenArt AI. Before we jump in, if you love discovering new AI tools and want to stay ahead of everyone else, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and comment below. If you had 2000 AI credits right now, what would you create first? Now let's get into OpenArt AI. So first, what exactly is OpenArt AI? OpenArt AI is a platform designed for creators who want to generate AI content without spending hours designing things manually. Instead of opening complicated software and learning advanced editing skills, you simply type what you want and the AI creates it for you. You can generate AI images, transform existing pictures, create characters, edit scenes, remove objects, generate videos, and even keep the same character style across multiple creations. That means if you're a YouTube creator, TikTok creator, designer, marketer, or just someone experimenting with AI, this tool tries to put multiple creative features in one place. But features on paper are one thing. The real question is how well they actually work. Now let's talk about something that catches people's attention immediately. The credits. When people hear 2000 credits, the first thought is usually, wow, that's a lot. But wait, credits are basically the currency inside the platform. Every image generation, edit, or AI action uses a certain number of credits. At first, 2000 sounds huge, but depending on what you're creating, you can use those credits faster than expected. If you're generating lots of images, testing prompts, changing styles, or creating videos, you might notice those numbers dropping quickly. So the important question isn't just how many credits you get, it's how efficiently you use them. One feature many creators like is style consistency. Normally, if you generate the same character multiple times, AI may completely change the face, clothing, or appearance. One image looks perfect, the next image suddenly looks like a different person. OpenArt tries to solve that problem. You can train styles and maintain character consistency across different scenes. For storytellers, YouTube creators, and short-form creators, this can save a lot of time. Because consistency matters. Now let's move to editing features. Sametik, instead of creating something from zero, you can upload an image and tell the AI what to change. Maybe remove objects, change backgrounds, replace clothing, add effects, or completely transform the image style. This saves time because you're improving something that already exists instead of restarting from scratch, and speed matters when you're creating content consistently. Now back to the question from the beginning. What happens when your credits are gone? Because this is where many people get curious. If you use your credits heavily, eventually you'll reach limits depending on your plan and usage. Some users reduce credit usage by generating smarter prompts instead of creating endless random attempts. Others wait for refreshed usage options or explore available plans and features. So instead of wasting credits on 10 weak prompts, one detailed prompt can sometimes give better results immediately. Learning prompt quality becomes important because better prompts can save both time and credits. So, who is OpenArt AI actually for? If you're making YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, TikTok content, digital artwork, story content, creative projects, or experimenting with AI, you could find useful tools here, but if you're expecting one button to instantly create perfect results every time, expectations should stay realistic. AI tools are powerful, but the person giving instructions still matters. So after exploring OpenArt AI, the question comes back to you. Would you use your 2000 credits immediately or save them carefully and maximize every generation? AI tools keep evolving fast, and creators who learn them early usually have an advantage. If you enjoyed this video and want more AI tools, stay tuned because there's always something new to explore.